this is scary. There's a hope! Oh! There's a hope! Oh! Oh my goodness! Ah! I couldn't hold on. Sorry, guys. I couldn't hold on. I made it, guys. I made it down the hill. I'm sorry, we lost some footage because I couldn't hold on. I couldn't hold on to the camera and go down that slope. It was crazy. But I'm so happy that I'm with you finally. I'm finally pulled the trigger. I am on YouTube. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited with me. Join my ride. Please join the journey. Join what it's like to be retired and able to do whatever you want in your retirement, whatever it is, whether you sit down, stand up, go down a sled or roller coaster, whatever the case it is. In my case, I am going on cruises, I'm gambling because I'm going to gamble all my kids' inheritance. I made sure that they understood money and finances and how to save and how to put away for a rainy day and get a pension with your Social Security. So since I taught them all of that, I can spend their inheritance. So I'm going to spend their inheritance doing what the hell I want to do, and that would be whatever I want. Cruising and gambling and cruising, bringing my husband along because if I didn't, he would just watch movies all day. We're not doing that. I am 63. I have 2 hip replacements. I got 40 more years to go, and I'm going to live it up however I want to, and you should live it up however you want to. But I'm here just to be fun, witty, unpolished. Join me on my journey, and I'll join you on yours. See y'all.